In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check DoorDash gift card balance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the app or on the website to see how much value you have left from your gift cards. Start by opening DoorDash on your phone or tablet, or head to DoorDash.com in your web browser. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. A stable internet connection helps everything load quickly, especially your account details. On the website, you can use either a desktop or a mobile browser. Both work fine. Next, sign into your account. You need to be logged in to see your gift card balance because DoorDash ties credits to your specific profile. If you have more than one DoorDash account, double-check you're using the one where you redeemed your gift card. On the app, you can usually sign in from the profile icon. On the website, look for the Sign In option near the top of the page. Once you're in, open the Account menu. In the app, tap the profile or account icon, often found at the bottom right. On the website, click your profile name or the account avatar to open your account settings. This is your hub for personal details, addresses, and payment information. From there, go to the Payment section. Depending on your version, it might be labeled Payment or Payments. This is where DoorDash stores your save cards and, importantly, any credits associated with your account. Now, look for the line that says DoorDash Credits. This is the key. DoorDash credits represent funds available to use on orders, and that includes your gift card balance. If you recently redeemed a gift card, the amount should appear here. If you have multiple gift cards, they're combined into a single total. If you see 0, it usually means there aren't any credits currently available on the account you're viewing. A few quick tips in case something looks off. Refresh the page or pull to refresh in the app to make sure the balance has updated. If you still don't see the payment section or DoorDash credits, close and reopen the app or sign out and sign back in. Keeping the app updated can also resolve display issues. That's all there is to it. Open DoorDash or go to the website, sign in, head to your account, open payment, and check DoorDash credits to see your gift card balance. This simple check can help you plan your next order and make sure you're using the funds you already have. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.